Hi everyone and welcome to another tutorial of Mali Company, and in this tutorial we are going to show you how you can use extensions in Joomla. So if you have a new website in Joomla, there's a lot of stuff you can do in Joomla, but there's also a lot of stuff that you are probably missing in your website as well, and you want to expand your Joomla website. So the advantage of having an open source website like Joomla is that a lot of people can build new features and elements in this website, and you can use it in your website to make it a little bit more professional, or just to add those tools and items that you need to make a very good user experience for your clients. So if you want to add extensions, as we call it in Joomla, you can do that in two kinds of ways. You can do it directly into the Joomla website just by going to extensions and then manage and go to install. And here you have a tab which is called Install from Web. It can be that you have a version of Joomla that you don't see the tab. Normally it just gives you a notification that it says you are missing this tab. Click on this link item and then they just add an extra extension to your Joomla website so you can see this tab. But normally you can probably see this tab. So in this tab you can see a lot of different extensions that are coming with Joomla. And with these extensions, it has some small icons, as you can see, and those icons mean different kinds of um, elements that are coming with this so-called extension. So if you look at the C, it means it's a component, and if you're installing this element, so once you have installed, you can see it in this bar here. And normally you can just adjust elements in the component by going to components and then just add logos, items, depending on what the component or the extension is. Then it has another small icon, or whatever you want to call it, but it's an M, and that means modules. And modules is most of the time elements you can put directly into your website, and most of the time you can see them here on the modules, and then you can add a new module, and in the list you will see the new module of the extension, and you just have to assign it to a module position, and then you can actually view it on your website. So just getting back to our extensions again, you see another element, and this is a plugin, and a plugin are most of the time installed, and then you can find the plugin here. And sometimes you need to put them as well in a module, but sometimes if you have done them in a plugin, you immediately see it in your website. It doesn't need a module position, and one of the examples is, for instance, a cookie bar, which is using a specific element on the website and it just pops up. So very handy. Going back again to our list, and there's just one item I want to show you, and it has this dollar sign. So a lot of the modules and extensions, a lot of the extensions on Joomla are free, and that's very nice if you're using web, but sometimes they're not free and you have to actually pay for them. And these kind of small icons in the front of the extensions show you that you actually have to pay for these kind of extensions. So there's a wide range that is free, and there's also a wide range you have to pay for it. So you can, if you have this tab, you can install it immediately from the web, but sometimes you just click on it and you say install, it does not work. You have quite a lot in this tab, not all of the times. You've had quite a lot, it just simply does not work. It's not that perfect always. Just then I want to show you one more thing. Sorry about that. That's, you can also search a certain extension or just give it a name, for instance, backup, and then it brings a list of different extensions that are somewhat related to creating backups in Joomla. It's not always the search that you are looking for, but sometimes it is. And you can also just go through this list and just find a category and see what is very basic in this category. So access and security, you can just have a wide range of extensions that are associated with this category. Again, going back to installing directly from the web, you can get an error that you can't really install extensions from the web. And in that case, you have to download it from the website internet first, and you have to go to the extensions.joomla.org website. And here you just download the extension that you are looking for. So I'm looking for a CDN extension, CDN for Joomla. That's the extension that I want. And here it is. So it's a free download, very nice, and basically it makes your website a bit faster, which is very handy. It also has a lot of other information that is very nice for me. It says what version it is with the extension, it says when it was developed, and it says also by whom it was developed. And it was developed by Regular Labs. And I must confess, I'm a big fan of these guys. They make wonderful extensions. I don't know them, so this is not just making advertisement for them, but they are very, very nice. And they have also a lot of good reviews, as you can see. So definitely want to have this extension. So I'm going to download. Sometimes it just opens up a tab and it opens up a window, and I can just, and sometimes it just open up a tab and I can just click on it and it downloads immediately. Sometimes I have to go through the website of the developer, find it, and then download it. So I'm just going to click on this one, say download, put it in my folder. I just have to wait when it's downloaded, a couple of seconds. Then going back again, then go to extensions, manage, install. Or I'm already in that tab, but this time I'm not going. So going to extensions, manage, and install, like this. And we are not going to install from the web, we're going to upload package folder. You can also install directly from URL. Sometimes the developer gives you a URL, or it gives you, it has an installer. I already put it on my server through FileZilla, and I can install it from a folder like this. But I'm just going to put it here, and this one, and then just install it. By the way, sometimes I haven't done that, but sometimes it's very smart just to make a backup of your website before you install the extensions. Most of the extensions are working very well with the website, but sometimes you're just installing an extension and then you notice that some things on your website are not going to work very well. So in this case, I've just installed the extension and it says message CDN for Joomla has been successfully installed, and it's been a plugin. So I have to go to plugins, going to type in CDN, and here it is. And here I can read a little bit more about the extension and how I can actually enable it and how it actually works. So that's how you're working with extensions in Joomla. It is really recommendable if you are having a Joomla website. You can't have a website without extensions, to be honest. You really need extensions just to get all the benefits of your website and to make it a very professional website. And extensions can help you very well with it. So this is how you do it. And if you have any other questions, please let us know in the comments below. And we are looking very much forward to see you next week. And if you have any other questions, please also let us know in the comments below, and we are hoping to see you next week. Thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe as well, of course, because that really encourages to make more videos for you. And yeah, that's it for this week, and thank you again. Bye bye.